Memories in style of Barbara Streisand. Karaoke, I hope you enjoy. From Karen. It's been a while, hope you enjoy. Sound from the pavement as the moon lost her memory. She's smiling alone in the lamplight. The withered leaves collect at my feet. And the winds begin to moan as we all sing a song. Memory, all alone in the moonlight. I can smile at the old days. I was beautiful then. I remember the time I knew what happiness was. Let the memory live again. Every street lamp seems to beat and plastic wings. Every street lamp seems to beat at the beaters. So someone mutters and a street lamp sputters. And soon it will be morning. Daylight, I must wait for the sunrise. I must think of a new life, and I mustn't give in. When it comes, tonight will be a memory too, and a new day will begin. Burnout, ends of smoky days. The stale cold smell of morning. Street lamp dies, another night is over. Another day is dawning. Touch me, it's so easy. All alone with the memories of my days in the sun. If you touch me, understand what. Look, a new day has begun, has begun. Has begun. Ooh, memories from Karen. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.